Imagine being trapped in a burning car, unable to escape because the doors won't open. This chilling scenario has become a stark reality for some Tesla owners, prompting the company to rethink its door handle design. But here's where it gets controversial. While Tesla aims to address this life-threatening issue, questions remain about how quickly and comprehensively they can fix it, and whether it's too little, too late for those already affected. Tesla is actively exploring a redesign of its door opening mechanism, following alarming reports of passengers trapped in emergencies, including vehicles engulfed in flames. The current system, which separates manual and electronic release mechanisms, has proven unreliable in critical situations, leaving rescuers unable to access the car. Even in non-emergency scenarios, Tesla owners have reported being locked out of their vehicles after securing their children inside, forcing some to break windows to regain entry. An investigation by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, highlighted numerous owner complaints, while a Bloomberg exposé uncovered 140 incidents of people trapped in Teslas due to door handle malfunctions, some resulting in severe injuries. And this is the part most people miss. The manual release buttons, often the last resort in emergencies, are notoriously difficult to locate, especially for children or unfamiliar passengers. Tesla's design chief, Franz von Holzhausen, recently revealed on Bloomberg's Hot Pursuit podcast that the company is working to combine the manual and electronic release systems into a single, streamlined button. It makes a lot of sense, he explained, emphasizing the need for quicker, more intuitive escapes in panic situations. However, it remains unclear whether this fix will apply to all Tesla models or only new ones, leaving existing owners in potential limbo. The current door handle designs vary across Tesla models. The Model S and X feature extendable, retractable handles, while the Model 3 and Y use a mechanical flip-out mechanism. When these fail, often due to power loss after a crash, passengers must rely on the manual release, which is hidden and hard to find under stress. Bloomberg's investigation found tragic cases where passengers died or suffered severe burns because rescuers couldn't open the doors in time. Here's the bold question. Is Tesla's proposed fix enough to restore trust? Or does this issue reveal a deeper flaw in prioritizing sleek design over safety? While the company's efforts are a step in the right direction, the lack of clarity on retrofitting existing models raises concerns. What do you think? Should Tesla prioritize immediate fixes for all vehicles, or focus on future designs? Let's spark a conversation in the comments. Your perspective matters.